Introducing the DOITOOL plastic portable cake box dish. Food covers locking cake carrier holder round bread container cheese cloche dome for food cake takeaway supplies in blue. This cake carrier is designed with sturdy clamps that securely lock the lid in place for worry-free transport and airtight storage. The clear cover allows you to elegantly display your beautiful cake design while keeping it protected. With its stable base and strong locks, this cake carrier is perfect for car travel, outdoor picnics, or secure storage in a busy kitchen. It is suitable for various occasions such as catering events, church functions, bake sales, birthdays, picnics, parties, family events, BBQs, and more. Please note that for a better service experience, it is important to carefully confirm the size of the product before purchasing. The cake carrier also features a thick colored handle and a flat base on a clear dome lid, making it an ideal gift for weddings, housewarming parties, holidays, Mother's Day, and more. The cake carrier is made of durable plastic material and comes in a vibrant blue color. Its dimensions are 30.5 by 30.5 cm, providing ample space for your cakes. The ticker cover is shockproof and waterproof, ensuring the safety of your cakes during transport. Included in the package is one cake box. Please note that this product is designed for use in the US and may require an adapter or converter for international use. Please check compatibility before purchasing. Get the DOITOOL plastic portable cake box dish. Food covers locking cake carrier holder round bread container cheese cloche dome for food cake takeaway supplies in blue today and enjoy worry-free transport and storage for your delicious cakes.